Hello, this is Sandra Cho with Pointwealth Capital Management, and today I'm going to be going over August in review. The S&P 500 lost 1.6% in August, bringing its year-to-date performance to 18.7%. Both the NASDAQ and Dow fared slightly worse at negative 2% for the month. However, the NASDAQ is still on pace for a strong year at just under 35%, powered by mega-cap technology, telecommunications, and consumer discretionary stocks. All indices rebounded the last few trading days of August, though still coming up short. Energy was a top-performing sector for the second straight month, boosted by rising oil and natural gas prices. Both international developed and emerging market equities trailed the U.S. in August, with developed international markets down 3.2% and emerging markets down 6.1%. China continues to disappoint with hopes of a rebound dashed. Bonds were slightly negative for the month, with the Ag Index down 0.6%. The jobs report was released today, showing 187,000 jobs added this month. While this is slightly above economists' expectations, it is a slowdown compared to the past 2 years of growth. That's a positive sign for bonds, since it might mean the Fed will pause its rate hikes sooner than later. The unemployment rate jumped from 3.5% to 3.8% in August. However, this seems to be because more people are entering the jobs market rather than people losing jobs. The jobs report signifies an overall cooling but still strong job market. Job openings are rapidly approaching normal levels, and in good news for workers, real wages have turned positive after a long stretch of declines. Real wages are defined as net earnings after accounting for increases in the cost of living, aka inflation. In other news, interest on student loans begin accruing starting in September, following close to a 3.5-year pause. The first payment is due in October. With this in mind, and the end of the year fast approaching, now is a good time to review your financial plan, specifically your cash flow and expenses. Some questions you might want to ask yourself are, have there been any unexpected expenses that have come up? Have you or your spouse recently been laid off? Have you sold stock, or have you inherited any assets that you may incur a large tax burden this year from? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, talk to your financial advisor. If you don't have one, consider finding an advisor you can trust to put together a comprehensive financial plan. Thank you, and have a wonderful September.